Everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our countertop syrup dispenser. Okay, this is going to be a syrup dispenser. To begin with, you have all your controls on the front. Okay, so all controls, your power, your setup, storage, all the controls are going to be on the front. Now instructions, if you don't know how to use it, obviously we're going to provide those instructions for you. Instructions will be found on the website. Okay, so we'll update the instructions on the website, so you can just simply go to the website and find the instructions on how to use this syrup dispenser. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open up the top lid right here and show you the inside of the bowl. We're gonna measure the bowl. Okay, you're looking at about 8.5 inches, and the deep, you're looking at about 9 inches. Okay, so 8.5 inches by 9. Okay, so those are your measurements for this inside storage space. Okay, the unit runs on 110 volt. Plug is located on the side control as well. So it's a very simple unit. As I mentioned, for the controls, we'll update that on the website. All the instructions will be on the website, so feel free to go on the website, coolerdepotUSA.com. All the instructions, information is on the website, including the price for this exact syrup dispenser. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.